Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today I am going to discuss about data handling, means how we will handle data. First of all, we should know about data. What is data? In simple way, if I tell you data is a collection of numbers gathered to some information. Otherwise, we can say data is a collection of some facts which is such numbers or word or measurement, observation or just description of some things. So, usually we record data in two methods. One is telemark and second one is pictograph. So, I am going to show you how we will record data in two ways. First one is telemark. And second one is pictograph. So, what is telemark? Telemark is a line is drawn across the four vertical lines. Like that, if I draw one vertical line, second vertical line, third, fourth and one line cross these four vertical lines. This is called telemark and this is the symbol of telemark. So, for that I know that showing this you people can't understand. For understanding it better, I will give one example. If I tell you that Siddesh has his own stationery shop and he usually sells so many stationery things daily. How he usually take the records of data whatever he usually sells every day. If I tell you yesterday Siddesh sold 10 chocolates. So, 10 chocolates and 15 juices. So, for these 10 chocolates, how he used to write down in telemark? That is one vertical line, 2, 3, 4 and cross with this line, it is 5. Again 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again 5 chocolates. So, this is the way he usually keep his data using this telemarks. Okay. Same way for 15 juices he usually write down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So, this is the way we can store all data by using telemark. Now, I am going to talk about pictography. So, now we will discuss about pictography. So, a pictography represents data through picture of objects. It helps answer the questions on the data at a glance. Means, if I tell same example, if I give yesterday Siddesh sold 10 chocolates. So, how we will write down it in pictography? 10 chocolates and 15 juices. Ten chocolates we usually in pictography we usually represent through pictures like some smiley or star. Okay, if I give one smiley for 5 quantity, okay, so for 10 chocolates how many smiley we should use? We should use only 2 because each smiley represent 5 quantity. So for that we should draw only 2 smileys. And for 15 juices we should draw 3 smileys. So this is the way we can take our datas or we can record our datas. So students, I will not stretch my video too long because it's Durga Puja came, we know that, and I wish all you happy Durga Puja, and you people should enjoy a lot and be careful. So today, thank you and have a nice day.